In this video, I'll show you how to create an Myob account. And here we are on the Myob home screen, and the link is in the description of this video. And what you want to do is just click on plans and pricing. Now this is going to present you with the different price tiers, and you can choose which plan is suitable for you. Keep in mind you have to choose one of these, either accounting or payroll only. Now once you've chosen your specific option, they will ask you to enter your email address and then hit continue. Next, they're going to ask you some personal information as well as your business name, and click on the agreement over here. And the next screen will be your password setup. So set up your password and then hit continue. And then that will be a mission accomplished. You have officially created your Myob account. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.